got them goggles on. Put them goggles on. You ran all the way over there? All right, big legend, come on, let's start this up. Put the key in. Yep. Put the key in. Okay, keys in. Turn it on. Push this down. Yep, push it down. Nope, down, right here. Here, come over here. Yep. Just, no, push it down right here. No, right here, push down. Yep, push it. Yeah, there we go, good job. Good, see we got the gas. Push the gas down, like that. Now here, push this button. Let's see if it start up. Push this button right here. Yeah, right here. Yeah. You gotta hold it down. Hold it. Hold it. All right, try it out. Hold it down.
Still when it started.
You gotta hold it. Alright. Let me kick start. We ain't started it up in a while. We ain't started this bad boy up in a while. You say what?
Mine's, that one don't start up, but mine started up.
Let me see if we got gas. Might not even have no gas. Dang, I ain't even bring my gas. It's a little gas. It's a little gas in there. This one right here.
You did it.
Gas goes.
Dad, this one don't have no gas in it, but
Fuel on,
mine
choke
did.
on.
Mine
Huh?
did.
I was trying to start this thing. Big legend, we had to get that TTR-110 started, man. We had to put some gas in it. Had to go ahead and gas up. You say what? Yeah. Here, stop putting these sticks down here. You putting sticks down in the gas tank. You can't be putting sticks down here in the gas tank, man. Is there some gas in there? You see some? A little bit in there. It's a lot in there. My man, Big Lech. My son. Big Lech. The 3-year-old. About to start riding on a PW-50 one day. Yes, sir. Big legend. I think the kid is starting to get out of school now. Don't honk the horn, big legend. You just honk the horn, man. You can't be honking that horn up here, man. What's up, Anthony? Hey, son.
Got it?
Here.
About the weekend, sweetheart. Looks like you might be going riding.
Oh, yeah.
Have fun.
All right. What's up, son?